What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos for everybody else. Welcome back, guys. If you're here and you have not checked out my projects to see what I got going on, go to this website, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Okay, just browse around and see what projects that I am promoting. All right, we're back with a update on Webull. I got started in Webull, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. I'm looking to learn for 2025. That's my new project, to learn more about the stock market, right? So I decided to get into the Webull platform, and I'm learning and learning and learning, right? And we're in it. We joined, and I've received some free stocks, which I've been showing you guys, right? And they all, I claimed them. I've claimed all 15 stocks, and they're all have been placed into my platform, right? So I want to come back and update you guys on that. But guys, if you're interested in stocks, right, another way to earn passive income, right, and to just learn something new as well. I got into crypto a couple years back. Thank goodness for that, and I've learned that. I know how to purchase crypto and all the things, right? Crypto. So now we're on to learning stocks. So I'm super excited about it. I've actually have gotten into a class, if you will, a course, and I'm going through that as well. Education is key. Education is key. Reading, following, and just getting into everything stocks. All right, so that's where I am. So I'm back just to show you guys that I don't want to be rambling, but join Webull. Okay, there's other platforms out there. I just gravitated to this one. You can check into those as well. You can join Webull, deposit as low as $100, and they have also, if you share it with others, they give you free stock. Okay, so you can receive anywhere from $3,000 to $3,000 valued in stocks. Okay, which I'm going to show you what they've given me, and it's investing made simple. So that's the other thing. I was like, oh, this is it's a newbie friendly platform. Again, they're not the only ones, but this is the one that I gravitated to. All right, so you can start investing with Webull today. I've got a link on www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, and you're going to come here to this page and come right here and see this image right here. It says Webull, start your investing journey. Click it and go ahead and get your free account, guys. You can download the app on the App Store or Google Play. All right, so let's take a look and see what has happened here with those stocks that I've claimed and where we stand with that. Let's take a look. All right, so we're in the promotion center area, and right here it says my free stocks, right? So when I click there, as you can see, all the claims are completed. See, it says 15. Okay, I have 15. They went into, once you claim them, when you click on each one, they go into transit. Then it takes a few days for them actually to show up in your account, in your Webull, I guess, dashboard, if you will. So all have been completed, and each one, okay, let's go over them. Snap, Apple, Spotify, Coca-Cola, Snap again, Ford, Spotify, Snap, Ford, Snap, Spotify, and Ford, right? $3 per stock. So that was a total of what? 45 bucks, guys. $45 free stock. Okay, you cannot beat that. So anyway, I'm excited about that. I claimed them, and let's take a look. They've moved over, so check it out. All right, so we're in our dashboard. By the way, the stock market is open Monday through Friday only. What, 9:30 to 4? 9:30 a.m. to 4. Is it 4 or 4:30 Eastern time? Okay, and then Monday is a holiday, so the stock market will not be open. All right, so right here is I created a watch list so that I can kind of keep an eye out for certain stocks that I'm kind of just watching and checking into. All right, so I've got a long list of those, as you can see here. But let's go over to my positions. All right, so hang on. All right, so here we are. Now, our positions are those stocks I just named off, right? And the other thing I like about this is you can buy fractional stocks as well, guys. All right, so positions, then they show up right here. They all are here. Okay. All right, and here they are, right? Coca-Cola, Apple, Ford, Snap, Spotify, Tech, and then this is my ETF, VOO. I'm in that for the long haul. Now, let's look here. If we go to, let's see. Let's go here because I kind of want to just see the performance. Let's see where we are. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we're up 1.36 on VOO for the week. We're up on Spotify, 0.64. Apple, we're up 0.16. We're up on Coca-Cola, 0.06. We're up on Ford, 0.02. And we're down on Snap, 0.18. Okay, so that's where we are with our positions. And again, I'm not even worried about day-to-day, up, down. We're in it for the long haul. See, that's the other thing. I'm not trading, okay? I'm not trading, not doing options. So we're here for the long haul. Just ride it out and keep it moving. And we're in what they're calling DCA, right? Dollar cost average. That's what we're doing with our VOO. $5 a day, okay, for every trading day. Okay, so this is where we are here. Now let's look at, let me go back. I'm still learning the platform. This is on the desktop, and then we have it, of course, on the smartphone. All right, so we're here now. Check it out. As I mentioned, we're doing dollar cost average here, and we started January. So if we go back, let's see, where was that I saw that? Hang on. All right, here we go. So January, far as VOO is concerned, and we'll come back and talk about VOO as well and all the details on that particular ETF, because that's the one that I'm laser focused on, right? These were just extra stocks, which I greatly appreciate from Webull. All right, so here we are starting in January, then February, right? So we're 2 months in of the year, which is great. Again, we're going to follow this all the way through to the end of the year and see where we end up, what the end result will be. All right. All right, so we're going to go back here to this page and just kind of want to show you, look at everything that they've got in this platform: stocks, overnight trading, options, index options, futures, ETFs, OTC, margin, fractional shares, cash management, Webull Smart Advisor, recurring investing. That's the other thing that we're doing. We've set up our account so that we can have the recurring earnings go back into the platform, right? Okay. All right, and that's what they call DRIP, dividend reinvestment plans. Okay, that's where whatever your dividend earnings are, there's a settings in the system that you can set, and it just can go back in there instead of withdrawing it, right? Or it's just sitting into the cash management bucket, if you will. You can have it just go right back into the account, and that's what I've set up for myself as well. So I don't even have to think about it. All right, then they've got IRAs, fixed income U.S. Treasuries, money market funds, paper trade. Like if you're interested in trading and you want to just do like a demo, you can paper trade with them. They've got charts and tools, trade, execution, quality. All right, so there's a lot to this platform, but I'm mainly focused on ETFs, fractional shares, and of course the reoccurring investment. Okay, all right, so that's kind of where I am with it, but just wanted you guys to see where I stood and which stocks that I have invested in, if you will. And I've got the other ones, they're free, but the one, again, I'm focused on the ETF VOO. All right, but we'll be talking more about that. But check this out. Let's go here. Let me show you something. This is why I got started as well. Right here, you can invest, guys, with as little as $5. Do you know a cup of coffee, okay, is more than $5 at the Starbucks? You can go here and get started with fractional shares. Make it possible to own a part of a stock from your favorite company and exchange, okay, and ETFs, which is exchange traded funds, without committing to a whole share. You may say, well, look, I don't have $100. I don't have $50, whatever. Guess what? You can start with $5, okay? So no excuses. No excuses. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All right. I'm just letting you know what's out here. Okay. Because I didn't know. Okay. And I've learned that, that you can do that. So why not own a part of a stock, invest in your favorite stocks and ETFs, regardless of the share price, as low as $5. All right. Fractional shares on Webull can be as small as one of, I don't know what that is, 1 million shares, as little as $5. Pay no commissions. Webull charges no commission fees, no account management fees, or inactivity fees to buy and sell fractional shares. Expand your stock portfolio with the introduction of fractional share trading. You can now invest in a wider range of companies. How it works: pick any eligible U.S. stock or ETF and decide how much you want to invest. It's just that easy. Boom. Okay? Simple. Get started in 3 easy steps. Apply for an account. This is a brokerage account, by the way. Deposit any amount. Start buying and selling. Open your account. Okay? Just that simple. And if you happen to share it with others, Webull rewards you. Okay, I've shared it with a couple folks, and that's how I got free shares. Why not? Again, these companies are making money off of us, guys. Y'all not understanding, okay? Once you get into this thing, I'm telling you, it's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing, all the information that I've learned, and it just makes sense. But they're making money off of us. Something simple as this. I'm an Apple I'm definitely an Apple fan. I've had all the Apple phones. Well, just about all of them. You know, I started a long time ago. I think I got started with an Apple phone when it was the 3rd one. I think it's the 3rd one, right? And now they're on what, 16 or something? So why not have Apple stock, right? They're making money off of me. The cell phone company is making, right, your cellular service. So why not have a part, own a part of that company? It just makes sense. Think about it, right? They're making money off of us. Why not let them reward us, all right, and give us dividends for being part owners of the company, okay, with simple investing. Go back over here, as low as $5. So anyway, I've got a link in the description. You guys can get started. I'm just excited about this journey that I'm on. All right, I don't have to worry about, of course, stocks is risky as well. All in type of investment is risky, right? But I know the account is going to be here when I wake up, right? You know, the market is going to go up and down. I'm not even concerned about it because I am here for the long haul. All right. But at any rate, go check Webull out. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Come to this page, guys. Right here, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Come right here to this image. Click it. Get your free account. All right. Get your free account and then make an investment. Remember, these companies are making money off of us. Why not be a part owner in it? You can start as low as $5 to invest. All right, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.